Why does your scanner show the P1901 engine code? What does it mean? P1901 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbine shaft speed sensor circuit intermittent. This engine code indicates that this sensor monitors the pressure differential across the DPF to determine its soot loading level. Faults related to P1901 can cause the engine management light to illuminate and potentially lead to a loss of power. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty turbine shaft speed sensor, wiring and connections, PCM, transmission issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Saab 93TID and Mitsubishi Pajero models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.